love that subject. Kung sino man yung sumulsul kay sir for that idea, thank you.
Mga instrumental.
Oo, instrumental niya.
Walang beef.
True. So yun, magbablog tayo everyone kasi wala akong vlog entry this week.
Walang beef.
True.
Ang gusto kong humingi ng
So umu-order muna kami bago ko tignan yung proposal at saka yes, yung proposal namin. I'm going to finalize yung proposal namin later. Pero work-life balance.
yes.
Diba? Kasi sabi niya dito, when the time is right,
Hi, the Lord.
mag-chat tayo ng proposal. So yes, hi guys, we're back. We're back here na, nakauwi na ako. Supposed to be magva-vlog ako outside with my friends, kaso nga ng girl, nagpasarap yung kwentuhan namin. And we're here na lang ulit, sit down na lang ulit tong vlog na to kasi nga, wala, I mean, ano ba dapat? Yeah, sit down na lang ulit yung vlog na to since, yun nga, the agenda lang naman for this vlog is to i-check and gawin yung project proposal. So, yun na lang ang gagawin natin because this week, ano bang nangyari this week? So, this week we've been reviewing kasi nga midterm exam happened nung 3. And very normal na student tayo ngayon kasi nga girl, pang first year lang yung tinake ko kasi nga I don't have any second year subjects right now. So yes, dalawang subject lang yung tinake ko, which is number 1, OOP, and number 2 is System Integration and Architecture. Mind you, girl, oh my god, I feel like very pakawala ako this, ano ba? Yes, this way, very pakawala tayo kasi nga, girl, bakit hindi tayo nagre-review? Like, okay, sige, nagre-review ko kaso nga lang, it is not like dating review na I have to be awake by 4. Mind you ha, I'm working, like yung work ko was matatapos ng 2 a.m. and I have to be awake ng 4 or 5 if ever na may exam just to review. Pero right now, girl, oh my god, I feel like my body is deteriorating. Parang hindi ko siya kaya this wave. I feel like, okay, sige guys, sa inyo na tong wave na to, hindi mo na makikipagkompetensya. Hindi talaga kaya ng katawang tao ko. Like, I feel like yung pagod ko from last wave, ngayon pa lang siya nagre-reflect. And ang kapal pa ng mukha ko, na ako yung magrepresenta na ako na magko-coding. Oh my god, girl. Hanggang ngayon, I'm still learning kung ano yung gagawin ko for the code kasi nga girl, like I don't really want to depend on AI even though AI is accessible kasi nga at the end girl, ako lang din yung talo and syempre girl, academic integrity. And yes, target pala namin is for next week makapag-propose na kami before the presentation ng Internet of Things namin just so that wala na akong iniisip na ibang subject for the week nung presentation ng Internet of Things namin because I love that subject. Thank you, sir. Kung sino man yung sumulsul kay sir for that idea, thank you. And also right now, hindi ko kasama or wala yung mga kasama ko here sa vlog kasi nga iniisip ko ano pa bang masasabi nila kasi nga last week ginawa na nila yung proposal and chinek na din nila. Like, hindi na para i-require ko ulit silang nag-check ng proposal para lang lumabas dito. Natapos natin na yung proposal. Well, yun na nga. So, let's check.